Okay, so it's another one of these random ass streams um, with NCS in the background because why not? Turn that up a little bit, like here. That should. Okay, so. I'm thinking about having like an overlay that works like this. So let's say we're on GitHub or something. And then we have like little windows that pop up on the top right for like different things, right? And I want it to be dynamic, so I don't know. I don't know exactly what we want to do. But I want to have little things that pop up. That's kind of the idea of this stream, is just playing around with what kind of overlay we want. Because OBS allows for a website. So maybe we make like a web app or something like that. Let's just turn that off for now. Come on. Why is it Illustrator being so slow? Here we go. So this is the idea I had before of like let's just make a new layer to put at the back. I'm just gonna spawn in a stream size background. We'll lock him down there. So this would be the main thing. We'd have like a window open of whatever we're working on. So let's just bring up my GitHub or something. So this would be the stream. And then if we bring in this design philosophy over here. So we have like the 20 pixel rounded corners. We need to find some widths. We need to find some sort of margin here. Like, we'll go 20. I'm just gonna make this like a placeholder color. We're basically designing like our margins and padding. So we want it to be there. Kind of want. Have like a 20 pixel border around the stream, which is like, enough that we don't obstruct the stream. the actual what we have on the stream. Whoops. So I'll just bring this down here. And then we also want to put him. We're going to align that with the taskbar. I think a 20 pixel padding works well. Let's just pop him, and him. Control X. New layer. Control V. Okay. That's our padding that we can turn on and off. So if we turn that off, it kind of floats there. Now that works. Yeah, because it might not be edge in the background, so let's just change the color of this. Let's just give this, I don't know. Now inside this padding, where else is on this layer? So the question is, do we do a 20 by 20 padding inside here? Potentially. Contrasting color. Yo, hello Jared. No face cam. No, because I forgot to turn it on. Whoops. Bring you back. Make another one. And another one. And then okay, so now I've got some padding. Let's just trim that. What are you doing? I'm designing the overlay for my stream. So like, how do I want... What layer? No, I did that on the wrong layer. shit. So like when comments and stuff appears on the screen, I'm working on that. I'm just figuring out because I'm gonna do all this in CSS, maybe, but I'm working on the proof of concept. At the moment, I'm just working on like padding widths, so you could have like an element like this guy. You could live here. And the reason there's all these green lines and stuff is so I can align things. So if I turn that off, now that's aligned to... My rule is 20 pixel margins. So it's 20 pixel margin from the top of the stream to this element, and then 20 pixels from here to where this lives. And this could be like, you know, new follower or whatever. These things can like grow or shrink. I'm kind of inspired by this. I'm inspired by two things right now. So, both the Android notification center, so like this style, and then also Bankwest has a new branding that I like quite a lot. So this kind of like dynamically floating things that Bankwest has, and like they all animate and move and stuff. That's what I like it, how it's like dynamic, fits on different widths and signs, but it follows the same rule. So that's what I'm trying to establish here. And these are the colors I'm going with at the moment, but I don't know if I'll keep them. And I kind of like the tall, like for typography. Like serif fonts are kind of making a comeback. So if you have like gotta love that ad campaign, just enough bank. Because I was all about trying to recover some. I know, right? Fremantle Dockers have a campaign. Where they use a mix of serif and sans serif. I can't find it here. they have... Wait. Fremantle Dockers... Marketing... Design brief. I love looking at these. Oh yeah, the best things in life are Frio. That's their advertising campaign. Is this... So they're using like this sans serif and then emphasis with a bold... Like a bold text. Here we go, this is what I was looking for. So sometimes when big marketing companies and design firms take on big clients, they advertise on their website what they've done. Oh, this is their 2011 one. Not their recent rebrand. Okay, well I can't find what I was looking for. But this here... So if I... So I can bring this into here. As like an idea of what I'm doing. But I want it so when I activate it, it animates. So like swipe. See, so it like... I don't like that. There's quite a few different transitions. That kind of works. Are you seeing like all of these effects as I... Yeah. That's not quite the transition I'm looking for right now. I just want like a... Okay. But I don't know how much control I can get over this in OBS. Because if I can do all the animations in OBS, that'll be fantastic. Because I... Like... There is like... Web animation. I could do something like this, like build like a little local website and have all of these. Like, this would be sick, right? And then I could like animate my stream to have all of these kind of nice little animations, so whenever something happens, you know, all these little bits happen. I could do that. And like whenever someone follows or types or whatever, there's like all these fancy... This would be awesome. I love this website. I'm just scrolling down, but as you scroll down, it kind of takes you on a detour. Ooh, that's cool. SVG morphing. Text effects. How much does this cost though? Wait, it's free? Okay, that's big if this is free. That's cool. I do like this. Is this a little bit like overkill for my stream though, to learn a new framework? Animate any object along a path. I like this. Because I could just have like this on a website. just like to do simple animations and stuff to make the stream a little bit more animated. Okay, what frameworks does this work on? I've never really done front-end JavaScript. I'm just going to do one of the ones that it mentions on their website because React, okay. Set up a React environment in VS Code on Windows. Well, I didn't think I'd be going into VS Code on this stream. But here we are. Now, I'm pretty sure I have... No, not GitHub. Not ChatGPT. Wait, Facebook made React? Okay, learn something new every day. Wait for that to download. I'm on hotspot right now because my internet wasn't working. I don't know why my internet wasn't working, but... My stream may... Oh, I need to turn this up. My stream may tank while downloading this, because I don't know how good my phone is at hotspotting a stream and a freaking upload and download at the same time. That's probably why this is being so slow. Yeah, the stream is tanking at the moment. But it will be nice to have a few little animations. I wish my internet was actually working. Every now and then it drops out and I don't know why.
Her lips so kissable and poisonous.
And NCS has some good tunes. That downloads. Let's look into let's look into the history of React. While that downloads its stuff. So it's been around since 2013. Set up at NPM. Really? I don't know how to use React. Are you kidding me? Is that all I have to do? I'm not a Java dev. How do I install NPM? Oh fuck. So I just need to install npx. Okay, how do I install NVM? I've only ever done this in Linux. Do I? I'll be good. I'll use Docker. Yeah, I'm in PowerShell at the moment. PS. Complaining. I really need to get my server back up and running. There's an installer on the Node.js website. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. I thought I had that installed. I mustn't. Get Node.js for Docker using Docker with npm. Is it doing it? Yay! I think this is setting up a Docker environment at the moment. I'm happy if it's Docker. I don't know if this is just hung or what. We'll try this one as well to install it locally. Hey, this looks promising. What, WSL has a friggin' GUI now? What? You can use graphical-based Linux applications with native Windows interaction. This is new. This is so new. You probably could. Because it says it has graphics pass-through. So, I mean, so long as you have a compatible graphics card, or maybe it just funnels all your graphics through with the WSL. There's a bit of a delay here. I don't know what chocolatey is or if I'll need it, but I figured it's a dependency. What do you mean Python is not installed? Python is installed. Oh no, it's not installed system-wide. I'm not sure what this is installing on my system. Redistributables. This is a chunker of a script. It said it's a dependency. I don't know what it's a dependency for and if I'm going to need it, but I figured I may as well install it if it's asking for it. I don't know what chocolatey is or what it's used for. I mean, there's a way to find out. It's a package manager. Oh, it's a package manager for Windows. Okay. Twitch and YouTube worked on something together? Okay. So it's basically like, it's like Snap, but for Windows. I've used Winget before. I mean, I don't really use Windows as a dev environment, so... Yeah. It's taking a while. I got sent some music from Quake, who was on stream a few days ago. So let's have a listen to the music they've sent through. It's music they made. Windows can take a hot minute to set up as a dev environment, but I'm currently using Odin to write games on Windows. What is Odin? Is that a game engine? Guessing it's not Samsung Odin. Is the Odin programming language? Huh. The compiler currently supports compiling on Windows 32-bit and 64-bit, Linux 32-64, macOS, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, and Haiku. That's weird that it supports all of that. It must be like a big community who's just like porting it over to different systems and architectures. What have people made with it? A game, Cat and Onion. Okay. Kanban. That's cool. Odin is a project to run Microsoft Windows program on OS2. This isn't it. This is from 1999 originally. It doesn't have its own Wikipedia page, but it's been around since at least 6 years ago. What's that, 2019? I don't know why it's stuck on this. Lincoln, you're not allowed up there. You know that, buddy. Get down. Okay, let's turn on my face so you can see me. Boop. This is why I didn't want to have a bright torch shining in my face, but you can see me in the dark. And this boy, he wants to say hello to the stream. Say hello, Lincoln. Pretty nice language, interesting syntax, but it bundles pretty well. That's nice. Obviously it's object orientated, so you can have all your functions and stuff. Oh, let's swap you down there. Good boy. I broke my glasses today, and I had to get them fixed. Because I fell asleep on them and broke the arm on it. Lincoln's like, oh, is that food? It's like, no, that is not food. This is headache relief. Lincoln, no, do not eat that. Lincoln, what are you doing on my desk, buddy? Yeah, but they're good now. I went to the optometrist and fixed them. Well, they fixed them. These these pills are big. I almost choked on it. That's better. I don't know, I was struggling. It's not the... It's like the coarse ones, so it's... They kept sticking to my tongue. It cost me $0. Because I went to the same company that I bought them from originally. Okay, we can wait for that to finish, because we have NPM, right? No? Or do we have to set up our environment? We start VS Code in the terminal. Thank you, Jared. Whatever would I do without you? Now, do I have to set up a project, or is it just... Is it just running all the time? How do I initialize it? Like, how do I make a new project? In React. Okay. Run this. There we go. Need to install the following packages. Okay to proceed, yes. What is your project named? YT Live. Would you like to use TypeScript? Do I want to use TypeScript? Sure, whatever. Would you like... Yeah, whatever. Do I want to use Tailwind CSS? No. Okay. Sure. Don't know what that is. Would you like to import the... No. Okay, it's just dumped out a bunch. Wait for him to finish, and then I guess what I'll do is I'm just going to copy... So we want to have the... Oh, that's to build the... Oh, okay, so the Gasp is just the whole thing, okay. I know, when I first started to learn web dev, it was so much simpler. There was no, like, live websites. Like, everything was static, and if you wanted live stuff, you did that through, like, ASP and stuff. Modern web is like... You need to have your freaking CSS engine running 24/7 through SAS, and then... Yeah. You used to just use LAMP. Like, to run a static website was called LAMP. Linux, Apache, PHPMyAdmin, and MySQL. Okay, so then we just want npm install Gasp. Okay, so theoretically, if we've installed Gasp, we should be able to, if we're in our source file, we should be able to create these index.html. And then, what are we calling our CSS? Are we just calling it style.css? Where do we define our CSS? Where is it linking its CSS from? I'm just going to call it style.css and assume that that's what we're doing here. Or is this all in the same file, maybe? No, it's not, because it's got... Where do we put this code? Okay, so now we just have a... Do we just get like a welcome page? Is this running like locally on my like how does it work? How do I actually turn this on? Oh. How do we turn this on? Wait, do I have to build it? No. How do I turn on React Domain project? Not React Domain. Why did I say React Domain? It's React project. npm start. Does that mean it's now just available via localhost? No. This is so like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna consult. I have just installed Grasp and React. Give me instructions to create and run a simple hello world website that uses some sort of Grasp feature like an animated text. Inside your React app, create a new file. I'll call it whatever. I'll just do whatever you say, Grasp. Okay, so everything runs in a JS file, obviously. Put in this code. Replace app.js content with What is all of this stuff? This is so over my head, man. It is too late to be sorting this out. NPMs. What if I just... Okay. I like where this is going, but I'm going to have to finish here because this is doing my head in. And I want to keep these streams to an hour long, unless I'm doing a special stream. So